What's up, my YT homies? This is Alethea on the ones and twos. Ricky coming at you. Ricky. No, I'm just joking. But what's up, my YT homies? This is Alethea coming at you with a haul video. So I have a plethora of things right here to haul, and I need to go ahead and get this haul video done before the Sephora. Sometimes, y'all, I don't know why, but lately I have not been able to talk. But before the Sephora VIB sale. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take my camera, my phone right here, and I'm going to take a snapshot or record all this stuff that is on this little table that I am about to haul, because it is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. So I'm gonna record this footage on my phone and I'm gonna add it to the video. And don't pay any attention to the things that are under that table. Those are some things that I'm going to take to work. But I'm just saying, let's get into this. All right, so with that being said, I don't even know where to start. So I guess I'll start with a couple of things that I did get from TJ Maxx yesterday. Because let me tell you what happened. In the midst of me doing all this shopping that I've done between Sephora and Ulta, your girl forgot to get some stuff to cleanse her face. I have moisturizers and everything, but I forgot to get some things to clean my face. Who does that? I did. So yesterday when I was in TJ Maxx, I was in there not looking for, but I was in there to get this mirror. I knew I was going to get this mirror. As y'all can see, the room is coming along. The tour is coming. I did get asked about the tour of the room. It's coming along. And I don't know if y'all can see back there, but I have some white pictures on the wall. I need a little color to break that up a little bit. But anyway, the room is coming along, like I said, and I'm going to show you. But I bought this Murad Age Reform Refreshing Cleanser from TJ Maxx yesterday. And this at TJ Maxx, it was for $12.99, and it says compare at $20. I don't know where they sell Murad at for $20, but this is not some cheap stuff. So I felt like it was a good buy for me to get this. Another facial cleanser I got is this Shiseido Creamy Cleansing Emulsion. I have not used this yet because I started with the Murad. And I read the ingredients, not the ingredients, but I read what the labels say, and they say that they should be good for sensitive skin, because I do have sensitive skin, but it's not to the point to where I can't try anything on my face. But here's the thing with me, with having sensitive skin, I'll try things, and then if it shows me, or if my face has a reaction to them, then I'll go ahead and push them to the side or give them away. But I'm not afraid to try things, because I'm just not. Alright, so now, let's see. Sephora. I'll start with Sephora. So one day I wanted to just go into Sephora and do some shopping. And I told y'all about that day in a Get Ready With Me, where I told you all I bought my daughter some foundation for the first time. But also while I was on that little shopping trip, I got this perfume sampler. If you shop at Sephora, then you know they do the perfume sampler thing, where you have the sample perfumes, and then you have a coupon to get a full size of whichever one you like the best. And in this one, there is something called Skin Clean, Versace Bright Crystal, Viva La Juicy, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, and the new, was it Helen Carrera? Is that her name? How you say that? Let me just take this out so I can be sure of what's in here, because it should be on here. Yeah, Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. Then there is the Clean Classic. I haven't smelled that yet. I don't know how it smells. The Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, the Viva La Juicy, and then the Versace Bright Crystal, and the Lancome. So yeah, this one right here is the Lancome. This isn't how the box used to be made, and the samples are much bigger than what they used to be. I don't think I'm going to get this one. I know I'm not going to get the Viva La Juicy. The one that I get the full size of will be one of these three right here. I have the other high heel from Carolina Herrera, the first one, that is black all the way down. So I don't think I'm going to get this one. So my choices are going to be between these three right here, because I love Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, but I don't think I want a full size bottle of it. The other thing that I did get that day was the, what's this, a Fenty Beauty, one of the little sample trios, I guess, and it has the Bomb Baby. It's the Bomb Baby Mini Lip and Face Set. It's Hustler Baby and Fenty Glow. The lip gloss is Fenty Glow, and then there is the highlighter, which is Hustler Baby. So let me take both of these out of here. I have used both of them, but for the purposes of the video, your girl put them back. My trash is gonna be full. Yeah. And then some people are gonna come in here talking about my trash as if they have nothing else, nothing better to do with their lives but talk about how full my trash is. But this is the highlighter right here, and it's Hustler Baby. And then you all know about this Fenty lip gloss. I do think I'm gonna get the full size when they have the Sephora VIP sale. I think I'm gonna get the full size of this. And also that day I did pick up the Fenty Pro Filter concealer, and I picked this up in the number 350. I think I'm going to go back and get the number 340. And let me be honest, I did a get ready with me, and I told y'all in that get ready with me that I really did not care for this concealer, but I've used it a few more times because I said I was going to take it back to the store, but I ended up using it a few more times and I like it. And that's all I got to say about that. Alright, so also, and it was before I even did this sale. I mean, I've had the next couple of items I'm going to show you for a good little minute. I think I've had these since like February. But anyway, Becca had a sale. I can't remember what the sale was. And I ended up getting some products from Becca. So what did I end up getting? I ended up getting the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the color Amber. I had this foundation before and I am actually out of it. But the bottle when I got it before was not see-through. But now they have this glass see-through bottle that it comes in. So I have another one of these. I have not used it yet since I bought it. So I'm guessing it's the same. I don't think they changed anything about the formula. Also, when they had the sale going on, I went ahead and bought the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector Primer. I've used this before. I used the whole entire bottle up, so I went ahead and bought another one. And then I decided also to try the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I only got a trial size of this, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this was just like $12. So I haven't used it yet, so I am going to take it and put it on top of my vanity so that I can remember to use it, because, you know, some things when I haven't used them, if I have them on top of my vanity, I remember to use them. And so, yeah, because I have a lot of products. I'm going to be honest, and there's some things I use on a daily basis, and some things as I go through my collection, I rotate and use. So I'm going to take this and put it on my vanity. So now I'm going to go into the 21 days sale with Ulta. And before I even go on to any other products, since I'm already on Becca, I'm going to show you this one. I actually got another one of these primers because, and see, here's the other one. So here you go, both of them. So what happened was Ulta had it on sale with their 21-day sale, and this was, I don't know which day it was, like day 1, day 2. It was one of the very first things. I don't remember the days on everything, but this was one of the very first things that I did get, and I went ahead and I purchased another one. Why not? It was on sale at half price. So let's continue on with these Derma Blend Loose Setting Powders. I ended up getting the regular original translucent powder and the banana powder, and I have not used these yet. I have not used them at all. So this is the banana powder, and you can see that it has that pearlescent looking color, and then the original is just the outright translucent powder. Now the one, and I wouldn't have gotten it, there's one that's like for brown skin tones, and I say I would not have gotten that because I've seen it used on some people that I think are darker than me here on YouTube, and it worked out perfectly. So I don't think it would have matched my skin tone. Alright, so the next two things I did get are these Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Creams by It Cosmetics. I got two of these. Like I said, with Ulta 21-day sale, everything is 50% off, and I have these two. They are so heavy. And I learned about them because I have one already that I did receive in a BoxyCharm box that I am currently using, and it is kind of a heavy type cream, but right now with it being winter, and I mean the winter, it's not winter right now, it's like we're kind of headed into spring, but my skin, while I'm oily combination, has been really dry because y'all know the winter can dry you out. So yeah, this moisturizer is like really bomb. Okay, so the next thing I got is also another moisturizer. It's the Day Wear Multi Protection Antioxidant 24-Hour Moisture Cream, Broad Spectrum SPF 15, and this This is by Estee Lauder. I have never used this, but what made me go ahead and get this is because it has an SPF of 15, and summertime is coming, so I figure it says day wear. This is something that I could definitely use in the daytime and not have to worry about getting greasy and oily in the summer because of the sun. So the other one, the one I have from It Cosmetics, I'll more than likely be using that before I go to bed. But here it is. It's like, well, you can't see, it's like a light little soft seafoam green type color. Alright, and the next thing that I did get from Ulta, I have the Derma Dr. Kakadu C High Potency Evening Oil, 20% vitamin C ester, ferulic acid, and vitamin E esters. So I am going to, I haven't put it on my face yet, but I am going to start putting this on my face at night because it says an evening oil. And it is really good, even though I have oily combination, or even if you have oily skin, to use oils on your face, because it kind of helps to counteract the oils to help your skin keep from being too oily. So let's see. Has a little dropper. Is it a drop? Yeah, it has a little dropper. Yeah. Let's see how this feels. Okay. Yeah, I like the way that smells as well. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the bathroom so it'll be close by when I get ready to wash my face. Alright, so, and next, next from Ulta as well is the Hungarian Thermal Water, the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. Tongue twister. So this is another type of moisturizer, or mask rather, not moisturizer, and I have been trying to take care of my skin a little bit better. I still could do better. I can have some improvements, but I love this green and blue container. That is so cute with the gold top. Too cute. But this is a mask. Let's see what it looks like. It's thick. It's thick. Yeah, it's thick. Doesn't have a smell to it, for real, for real. But it's okay. Yeah, doesn't really have a smell. So, can't wait to try this on my face.
Okay, y'all. I promise this is almost over. This might be a part 2. Alright, so... yeah. This is I don't want this video to be too long. I'm almost finished though. Let's keep this thing popping. Let's keep this thing popping, dropping, locking, rolling.
Alright, so, and then also from Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale. Yeah, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. So they had the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I have one right here that I'm currently using. BoxyCharm introduced me to this mascara. BoxyCharm has messed me up because I really love this mascara. But when they had this mascara, I got 3 of them. But not only did I get 3 of the mascaras, they have the eyeliners, and I got 3 of those. So I don't know how these are because I haven't used them, but I did get the mascara and the eyeliners of from the It Cosmetics portion of the 21 Days of Beauty Ulta sale. Alright, and then makeup, another item. Most of my stuff, it seems to be skincare items that I did get from Ulta's 21 Days. But I did get this Lime Crime Venus 2 eyeshadow palette. I've never had anything from Lime Crime, and I thought these were some pretty neat, pretty cool colors. So I decided to go ahead and get this, and I actually went into the store and got this. A couple of things I did order online, but some things I did go into the store. So this I went into the store. Aren't those colors pretty? I'm not going to swatch them, but aren't those some beautifully gorgeous colors? You know what? That is it. That is it for my 21 days of Ulta's beauty stuff. Yeah. That is it. So now let's show you the other things I got. Okay, so I've decided this video is longer. It's going to be longer than what I want. I'm almost done. I only have a few. I'm going to save those to do in another video because I really don't want this video to be longer than 30 minutes. So with that being said, stay tuned for part 2 of my mega haul. That's what I'm going to call it. My mega haul. Mega haul. At any rate, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video on my channel. Thank you so much for your comments, your likes, and your shares. that I hope you'll do before you check up out of here. And yeah, so in the meantime and in between time and until the next time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side.